Hi Aquarius, this is the Pixie Goddess Tarot. This reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. Guys, this is a general reading for the month of June. I've already published one, but I will want to keep bringing more and more readings to you because one reading doesn't resonate with everyone. So yeah, here we go. My channel was formerly known as The Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, but during the eclipse season and the retrograde season, I got a sign from my spirit guides to change the name, and the Pixie Goddess Tarot was the first name that popped up in my head, so I'm guessing that that was the name they wanted me to keep. I'm just letting you know so that there's no confusion. Okay. Aquarius, you've got the Page of Pentacles, the Devil, the King of Swords, and the Nine of Swords, sorry. Eight of Wands at the bottom of the deck. Eight of Wands suggests some communication coming in. It could be regarding money. For some of you, this communication is regarding money, investments, new job, your hobbies, paying you. Like so many of us are influencers on Instagram or YouTube and content creators, and then we start getting paid, right? So Aquarius, something like that. For some of you, this message is coming from someone who's been a part of your life in the past, and this person has kept an eye on you, and you know who this person is. And if you don't know, then they will be revealing themselves very soon because a lot of communication is coming from them. And there's another group of people, Aquarius people, for whom this communication is coming from someone who is someone who knows what to do in life, how to go about achieving their goals. They are headstrong, practical people who do not indulge in emotional affairs at all. You may or may not know this person because I'm getting the feeling that this person is someone absolutely new, and somehow they know you, they know of you, and they want to communicate with you. But I've seen, Aquarius, that you are stuck in your own head. With the Nine of Swords over here, you just need to get out of your inhibitions. You just need to wake up and see your wings, because Aquarius, whatever you want, you already have it within you. So I don't see any reason as to why you should stop yourself from achieving your goals. If any of these people, if any of these communications mean something to you, go ahead and take the plunge. There's a movement card over here, a Hermit card. Wow, 10 of Cups, amazing. And the Ace of Swords. And you've got the Ace of Wands at the bottom of the deck. New beginnings, fresh beginnings, new people walking in, and you are walking out on a lot of people. You're isolating yourself, you're thinking about what to do, what not to do. And you're working on your goals, you're working on your financial stability. And with the 10 of Cups being here, you are headed towards a life of prosperity, happiness, mental stability, emotional happiness, health, wealth, security, stability, everything. You name it and you'll have it, Aquarius. Okay, you've got the 7 of Swords over here. Beware of malicious people around you, people who sugarcoat their words, people who pretend to have your back but are actually backstabbers. They just pay attention, they just worry about taking things from you and not giving anything in return. So just beware of these kind of people. Otherwise, everything looks good. Wait, you've got the Wait card, and then there's something better. Amazing extra messages is what I call them. If you've been thinking of taking a decision, I don't think this is the right time, right place, or right person. The angels want you to wait and just weigh your options because there's something much better awaiting you. Believe in the impossible. Your hard work is paying off. It's time to take action. Wow. What do you need to release? You are good enough. Show the world the real you. This is your card, Aquarius energies. The end of a tough cycle approaches. All these are such beautiful messages for you, Aquarius. I hope they're making sense to you. And I hope they put you at rest because these are self explanatory, wonderful messages. Never doubt yourself, never doubt your capabilities. And if there is somebody who doubts you or who plants this doubt in your head, you need to just keep away from them, I guess. One last affirmation for Aquarius. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I am being guided. Dragonfly is a powerful symbol of divine guidance, and trust me, Aquarius, you are on the right path. Just have faith and keep going. If you like this reading, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.